Bow windows are a beautiful and functional addition to any home, offering a unique curved design that enhances both interior space and exterior appeal. For homeowners in Baytown, where natural light and outdoor views are highly valued, choosing the right rooms to install bow windows can make a significant difference in comfort, style, and everyday living. Understanding where these windows work best helps you get the most out of your investment. One of the most popular places to install bow windows is the living room. As one of the main gathering areas in the home, the living room benefits greatly from the increased natural light and expanded views that bow windows provide. Their curved design allows sunlight to enter from multiple angles, creating a bright and welcoming atmosphere. In Baytown homes, where sunny days are common, this added light can make your living space feel more open and inviting. The extended area can also be used for a cozy seating nook or a decorative feature that enhances the room's overall design. Another excellent location is the dining room. Bow windows can transform a standard dining area into a more elegant and enjoyable space. The additional light creates a pleasant setting for meals, while the panoramic view adds a sense of openness. Many homeowners choose to place a small table or seating area within the window space, creating a unique dining experience that feels connected to the outdoors. Bedrooms are also ideal for bow window installations. In this setting, the windows provide a peaceful retreat filled with natural light and scenic views. The added space can be used as a reading corner or a quiet place to relax. Waking up to natural sunlight streaming through a bow window can create a more uplifting and comfortable start to your day. For Baytown homeowners, this feature adds both comfort and a touch of luxury to personal spaces. Bow windows are also a great fit for home offices or study areas. Natural light plays an important role in productivity and focus, and the wide glass panels of bow windows help create a bright and inspiring workspace. The extended area can be used for additional seating or storage, making the room more functional while maintaining a clean and open feel. In kitchens, bow windows can serve both practical and aesthetic purposes. While they are less common than other window styles in this area, they can be installed in breakfast nooks or open kitchen spaces to create a bright and inviting atmosphere. The additional light makes cooking and dining more enjoyable, while the extra space can be used for seating or decorative elements like plants. Another great option is installing bow windows in family rooms or entertainment areas. These spaces are designed for relaxation and socializing, and bow windows enhance that experience by bringing in more light and creating a connection to the outdoors. Whether you're watching a movie or hosting guests, the improved lighting and expanded views make the space feel more comfortable and engaging. For homes with scenic surroundings, bow windows work well in rooms that overlook the backyard or garden. Their curved design provides a wider viewing angle, allowing you to enjoy your outdoor space from multiple perspectives. This is especially valuable in Baytown, where outdoor living is an important part of the lifestyle. When deciding where to install bow windows, it's also important to consider sun exposure and room layout. Placing them in areas that receive balanced sunlight can help maximize brightness without causing excessive heat. Pairing bow windows with energy-efficient glass ensures that you can enjoy natural light while maintaining indoor comfort. Ultimately, the best rooms for bow windows are those where light, space, and views can be fully appreciated. Living rooms, dining areas, bedrooms, and home offices are among the top choices because they benefit the most from the features these windows provide. In the end, bow windows offer more than just visual appeal. They enhance how you use and enjoy your home. By choosing the right rooms for installation, Baytown homeowners can create brighter, more open, and more comfortable living spaces that add lasting value and enjoyment.